Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 361. Which sentence uses the simple present tense? A. The sun is shining. B. The sun shines brightly. C. The sun shone yesterday. D. The sun will shine tomorrow. Correct answer, the sun shines brightly. Simple present tense. Question number 362. Which sentence uses the present continuous tense? A. They watch TV every evening. B. They are watching TV right now. C. They watched TV last night. D. They will watch TV later. Correct answer, they are watching TV right now. Present continuous tense. Question number 363. Which sentence uses the simple past tense? A. She cooks dinner. B. She is cooking dinner. C. She cooked dinner an hour ago. D. She will cook dinner. Correct answer, she cooked dinner an hour ago. Simple past tense. Question number 364. Which sentence uses the simple future tense? A. I study English. B. I am studying English. C. I studied English yesterday. D. I will study English tomorrow. Correct answer, I will study English tomorrow. Simple future tense. Question number 365. Which sentence uses the present perfect tense? A. He eats breakfast every morning. B. He ate breakfast at 7 a.m. C. He has eaten breakfast already. D. He will eat breakfast soon. Correct answer, he has eaten breakfast already. Present perfect tense. Question number 366. Which sentence uses the past continuous tense? A. We swim in the pool. B. We were swimming when it started to rain. C. We swam in the pool yesterday. D. We will swim in the pool. Correct answer, we were swimming when it started to rain. Past continuous tense. Question number 367. Which sentence uses the future continuous tense? A. She works at the office. B. She worked at the office yesterday. C. She will be working at the office all day tomorrow. D. She is working at the office now. Correct answer, she will be working at the office all day tomorrow. Future continuous tense. Question number 368. Which sentence uses the past perfect tense? A. They leave the house. B. They had left the house before I arrived. C. They are leaving the house. D. They will leave the house. Correct answer, they had left the house before I arrived. Past perfect tense. Question number 369. Which sentence uses the future perfect tense? A. I finish my homework. B. I am finishing my homework. C. I will have finished my homework by 9 p.m. D. I finished my homework. Correct answer, I will have finished my homework by 9 p.m., future perfect tense. Question number 370. Which sentence uses the past perfect continuous tense? A. He reads books. B. He was reading books. C. He had been reading for 2 hours when I called. D. He will read books. Correct answer, he had been reading for 2 hours when I called. Past perfect continuous tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.